Good day, good morning, Divergence Traders. It is April the 18th, 2024. Yes. Well, the day was, choppy, sloppy, shitty, but it still had divergence, though. Let me show you. And a few lower close, buy it up it goes. Oh, yeah, we got both of those. We might have some hookups and hook downs, too. So let's show you. This is the NASDAQ 5-minute chart. All right, so right over here, we have high and higher highs. Look at that. There she be. Never to fail. Whoever trade thee. So there it is. Okay. Okay. I just come out of this other live trading, YouTube fucking shit. This guy was fucking mental today. That's what I said. You are mental before I left the fucking that fucking thing. Fucking talks just like as if he was mentally retarded. Yeah, that's how he talks. He's doing it on purpose. Crazy. Anyway, so we had a trade here, and it was just about on the open of the New York session. And our stop would have been right here at the swing high, 21 points or something. And see, it never came. It never came back up here. I wonder why. So then we had the stock market open or no, is this the news? Hold on. No, that's the news. You don't trade the news, but anyway, if you sold it up here, okay, right there, your stop would be right there, 20 points. Oh, sharp pain in my leg. I gotta go to the hospital after this one. It's not fucking going away. Anyway, just got a sharp pain. So we had a 20-point stop, and guess what? It went down 40 points. So you got 2-1 right there. Okay? Now, if you held on to it, you got even a lot more, but you were holding it through the news. I don't advise holding any trade through the news. Even though I'm not a financial advisor, I don't advise it. Okay? You got to wait after the news. And someone, I just have to say this, and someone, I'm not saying who, they said something on, on YouTube trading. Is it okay? This was the question. Is it okay if I have a stop loss and take profit on my trade and I'm in the trade before the news? Is it okay to be in the trade? And this guy who's supposed to be experienced said, "Oh yeah, that's okay. You're good. You're good." It's like, no, you're not fucking good. Oh my God. Some people. You never hold. Listen to this. How many the biggest mistakes? I want to say them to you right now, okay? Number one, you don't trade the news. Number two, you don't fucking hold open trades during the news. And number three, the biggest one of all, you don't hold trades overnight. Actually, there's a bigger one. And number four, don't hold trades over the weekend. And especially when there's a war that could start any fucking minute in Israel or fucking Syria or somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, I'm a little wild today. I'm just a little wound up. I'm not screaming at you. I'm not bitching at you. I'm just trying to help you. don't don't hold trades overnight. Don't hold them over the weekend. No. Unless I don't even say like if you were hundreds of pips in profit swing trading, I still don't recommend it. Okay, if you really want to play it safe. But anyway, that's what I think. So look at that, it's still going, eh? Baba Louie, still going. Okay, so it was a good trade here, 2-1, right here. Okay. And then she crashed down with the news, and then she came back up. And usually I'd look for a nice higher close near the 5 to sell it back down again, right? But it came back so far, and it closed up here like a hook down. This is a hook down right here. I'll show you the hook down. Why not, eh? So right there. So when it came back down, yeah, I guess, yeah, you would have sold it right here. So it wasn't good. Didn't go very far. So I didn't do any, you know, higher close, sell it, down it goes trades today. However, here's one that would have worked just beautifully. Okay. It's right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Look at that. You would have got freaking nice points, man. So let's just say to there. 68 points to there. That's a beautiful trade. Okay. Now remember, there does not have to be any divergence, okay, to do the lower close, buy it, up it goes, okay, or the hook downs or the hookups. There's no divergence involved. It's a totally different trade setup. I just wanted to say that, okay? If you have divergence at the bottom and then you have a lower close, buy it, up it goes, well, that's even more powerful because you know from the divergence down here that it's even double safe to get in here. But I'm not a fucking financial advisor, eh? So that's all I can tell you. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P, the US 500, whatever you want to call the fucker. Okay. Let me show you this here. So we had higher highs right here and a lower high in the indicator, and you would have got short right there. Okay. Boom shakalak. Stop at the swing high. Always at the swing high. Never a freaking pip or toke or tick above it or below it. More than that. It's always at the swing high. And as you can see, when you sold it here, did it come back up here and get your stop? No. But what was your stop? It was 53. No, it was half a point. It was half a point. And it went down. It went down like 10 points. This is the S and the P. Okay? That was that one right here. Now, there was another one in here. I want to show you this because I was waiting to do the trade and I didn't do it. And I'll tell you why. But let me first show you the trade. Yeah, it's right here. Up to the top there. See that? And then right here. Okay, right down to there. Okay, so there was a trade in here. Let me show you. Okay. Now, the correct place to get in would be right here underneath these wicks or right here, somewhere up around here because you want to be selling from higher, not at the lows. You want to be selling from here. You want to be buying down here when you get the right setup to go up when the price has ran down and it's down here. You want to buy low or sell high, okay? That's the trick to trading. The trick. No, I promise you, I am not a trickster. Okay? I'm just telling you some good shit, man. Good fucking shit. Okay, so anyway, here I was waiting. I'm going, oh, give me a candle that'll close like right here or something, and I'll get in. No, just fucking came all the way down. And right there, when it was down there, do you think I wanted to sell down there on the close? No, because of this and this. Let me put a freaking line on there to show you how they would have interfered with it. See that? Perfect. Perfecto. Double bottom right there. And you don't want to trade that because it could have done what it done here. It could have done that right here. It could have went right back up again. You see what I'm saying? When price comes down to a previous level, and this is a double bottom level, you don't want to fucking sell it there because they could take it up. Right? Right. So I didn't do the trade. And then it came down here. And then it came back up here. And it came too far. And I was looking to sell it, right? Yeah, didn't fucking happen. Then it went up again. And then I went, oh, fuck you. I ain't touching this now. Right? You see what it printed a freaking barcode here. You see that shit? So I'm sitting here all this time waiting to do a trade. And when I was waiting to look for to do a sell trade on my 15-minute chart on my other screen and my hourly chart, they were both bearish, telling me the only thing you can do right now is sell. But I didn't sell because the setup wasn't there. Okay, now here's another trade. Right here, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay, but there's no divergence here. Okay, there's no divergence. And for me, but not for you, but for me, I wouldn't do this trade because my 15 and 1 hour were still in disagreement. Okay, it wasn't saying, oh, buy now. Yeah, like right now, the 15-minute is bullish, but still the 1 hour chart that I have, it's like in between bullish and bearish. So it's nothing. It's nada. It's like, don't trade. Don't fucking do a trade. But you could have done a trade here because the 5's above the 7. We had a pullback close to the 5. You would have bought it. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. You would have been good. But for me, I'm using two big filters, and that's the 15 and the 1 hour chart. So I wouldn't have done it. I'm really trying to trade careful. I'm really trying to win every fucking trade almost. Anyway, I didn't do a trade there. No. Didn't fucking trade. Son of a bitch. Okay. What did the Dow do today? Oh, look at the Dow. You see right here, low and lower low? See that? Low and lower low. But this is bigger than, or deeper than this side. So there's no divergence to buy it here. No, there isn't. And then it came back down here. They came back for stops right here, and then they took it up. So if you wanted to do a trade, there was one trade here. One motherfucking trade. Let me show you. Right there. Because we have this candle here in the middle of the two blue ones. It closed below the 7. So that's a hookup. And then if you would have waited or somewhere got in right up in here, well, it was good for you. This one, this here one, it's not close enough to the 5, so it's disqualified. Okay? There's the only trade right here. Okay, let's move on. Pound dollar. Oh, God. I knew it'd look like shit. I knew it'd look like shit. Euro dollar. Oh, no, there's a trade on the euro. Double top, higher highs, whichever one you want to call it. Lower high in the indicator. Okay, so there's a higher close, sell it, down it goes. And there's also divergence on this candle. Okay, and down it went. It was good. Pound yen, what did it do? It's the 15-minute. It was good too. We had high and higher high. And we had a low. And down we go. And it was good. When you sold right here, did the price come back up here to get your stop at the swing high? No, it did not. No, sir, no, ma'am. That's what's so beautiful about this. Euro yen. Oh. Higher highs. Right there. And you would have sold it right in there. And then we have oil. Oh. Lower lows. Sell somewhere in there. I don't know. And buy in there. So as you can see, this was a winner, chicken dinner. This was a winner, chicken dinner. Let's now look at the last one, gold, quickly. We had long wick, lower lows right there. Oh, I'm on the 30. Hold on. Okay. Oh yeah, still worked. Still worked even on this one. Okay, and you would have bought in here, and up it goes. And there's no trade here. There's not the right blue doodads here. It's not right. So there's no selling up here. There's no trade. So anyway, I gotta go here. God has called to me. I must go. That's the nicest way I can put this. And thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Subscribe if you would. Hit the like button. Good love. Good love. Good luck and good trading. I don't know why I said love. Hey, if you love someone, go give them some good love. Give them a hug and give them a kiss on the cheek. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.